Hello traders, and welcome to Trading the Trend. I am Dennis and this is my weekend report. It is November 28th. Hope everyone had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and let's get right to it. Right now I'm looking at the S&P 500 as expected, with the market only being open 3.5 days. Very slow week. We just had this little tiny doji looking candle right here. That's pretty typical for the for this week, so nothing much going on there. We do expect prices to continue to move up. Nothing to suggest they won't at this point. Now let's look at the US dollar index, and there it is. And as you can see, we're just about back up to the old high set back in March, so we should hit it this week. Not sure what will happen. We'll watch to see what kind of reaction. If we can break through substantially, that's a very bullish sign. But even if we get up here and pull back a bit, if it's a weak pullback, we just wait for it to settle down, and then they'll make another run up towards here maybe in a week or two. So we'll be watching for that. Now let's get to the my strong week rankings for the moment. This is where we finished the week. We still have the Aussie and the US dollar are strong, with weakness in the euro and the Swiss franc. I don't normally trade the Swiss, so I concentrate on the euro. So with that in mind, let's take a look at some currency pairs. And we'll look at the euro US dollar first. Okay, we've had a nice push lower here, and nothing to suggest that we aren't going to continue this pattern. Let's go out a bit further, and as you can see, we're getting close to where the low was for the year back in March. So I would expect a move down to this 1.05 area, and then possibly we get a bounce, and then we look for a push lower. So that's how I'm playing it right now. I am currently short euro US dollar, and will remain so until something changes. Now, staying with this theme, let's take a look at the euro Aussie. Same situation, very strong down move. We've had a very weak 2-day up move the last couple of days last week, so maybe this is setting us up for another move down. I always like to buy these pullbacks if it gets up to the 200 moving average on the 1-hour chart, which is just below that right now, and I will be looking to possibly add to my current short positions. I know this coming week there's a lot of activity. I believe the Euro Central Bank is meeting, and then of course the U.S. Fed meets. We have non-farm payroll next Friday, so a lot going on in the coming week to drive the markets. So we just have to, it's not what news is coming up, it's how the market reacts to the news. That's what we want to watch for and trade in the direction of the trend. So hopefully everyone had a great weekend, and I will talk to you all later in the week. Have a good one.